Name of the experiment is verification of Bernoulli's energy equation. Our objective is verification of Bernoulli's energy equation. This is our apparatus. This is the base plate. This is the tripod screws to which we balance the base plate. Here is a spot bubbling here. We check whether it is perfectly balanced or not. Now this is our section through which the water is passing. It is connected to the pump and water is coming this side and it is going out. This is the regulatory valve. Now these are the pressure taps which are connected to the piezometer tubes. Now we will pass a particular discharge inside the apparatus. It is initially convergent and now again it has a float. Again it is divergent. The diameter will be given for those taps. Where are those taps? The diameters are given here and distance from the inlet. So if we pass a distance here, it will give some piezometric height, like first one is here, second one is here, third one is here. We will read and note those readings in a table. That will be our P by gamma. So the formula is P by gamma plus V square by 2G plus Z equal to constant. P equal to pressure, V equal to velocity and Z is the height of datum. Here Z is constant. So we will take P by gamma and V square by 2G. And hydraulic grade line, we will detect hydraulic grade line and the energy grade line. First we will note those cross sections of the pipe at inlet point, the throat and the outlet point. From these we will get the cross sections and from this we will get the velocities also. Now water is flowing. Initially we have to put a distance here and regulate this air entering valve to make it constant to enter the air inside the piezometer tubes. Now it is stabilized. We have run for some minutes, so it is stabilized. Now we can read these readings. Now we can read these readings. This one, this one, this one. A, B, C, D, E. E is in the center and this is outlet. And these are the stagnant tube and this is the outlet tube. Again it is connected here. So we can take the reading like it is 212. It is 188. It is 160. It is 143. It is 121, almost 1. It is it will be 140, 148. These are not required, these two. Now we will close the inlet here, the measuring tank. And we will use a stopwatch. Stopwatch. We have closed that valve. sorry. Now we'll start the stopwatch. It will take 20 seconds, 20.68 seconds from 2 to 4. This is 2 liter and 4 liter. So it took time only 20 seconds. That means 2 liter discharge for 20 seconds. Now we will change the discharge going through the apparatus. Controlling this valve, will decrease the discharge flowing inside. Look, all those piezometer tubes readings are changed. Okay, leave it for 1 or 2 minutes to be stabilized. Again we will take reading of those piezometer tubes. Now the readings are here. We read 218. It is given in millimeter. It will come in meter also. So this is 195. This is 166, 67. This is 150. This is 128. This is 160. So we will note the readings. Again we will check the discharge. We have changed the discharge, so we have to check the discharge again. You have to check here when the water level is touching this calibrated point measurements, like this is here, so we have to wait, it will go on, or we have to release the water here. Now it is touching 1. We start from 2. Sorry, it is crossed 2. We start from 3. Started. took 23 seconds from 3 to 5. We will repeat this procedure for 6 times and we will get 6 set of readings. Then we will calculate P by gamma, B square by 2G and Z, and we will find EGL and HGL. We will draw also the graphs. Thank you.